Hi everybody, welcome back to MYFAMILYTAXI, and today I'm going to show you a very healthy snack which is called vada in South India, and it's very famous and my kids love the snack. So I decided to do this and I'm going to show you how it's made. So the main ingredient to make this vada is called Chana Dal, which you can get in any Asian shop, or there's another option available. You can do it with chickpeas as well, which you can get at any grocery stores like Tesco, Dunn's, Marks and Spencer, anywhere. It's only optional, but I always make this with Chana Dal, which you get normally in the Asian shop. Now, what I've done is I took 3 cups of Chana Dal, washed and soaked it for about 2.5 to 3 hours, and it's drained as well. So I have a drained Chana Dal here. Don't soak it for too long, it becomes too soggy. So just about 2.5 to 3 hours. Now I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients to make this snack. A full onion for 3 cups of Chana Dal. I have 3 green chilies here. My kids love green chilies, so I've taken 3. It's only optional. If you don't want to add any chilies, it's okay too. But these 2 are very important for this snack. This is fennel seeds and the garlic cloves. It has a beautiful flavor when it's all mixed together, and some coriander seeds as well. I'm just going to mix everything together and I'm going to deep fry it at the end. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to blend this Chana Dal into a coarse paste, and I'm going to mix all the rest of the ingredients and I'll show you how it's exactly done. So I have this mixer. You can use any type of blender to blend it, and you can add a little bit of salt in this, and you can add the rest of the salt at the end. So I've just added a little bit of salt and I'm going to show you how it's blended. Now I've blended it into a coarse paste. Do not add any water when you're grinding it. Otherwise, it will become too soggy when you're frying it in the oil. So I've taken all this out. It's very coarse, as you can see. There's few whole lentils as well. It gives crunch to the snack we are making. So you don't have to blend everything. If there's few full ones left, just leave it as it is. This is a very good snack and it's full of protein. Kids will love it and they're very addictive. My kids always end up eating about 7 or 8 at a time. So if it's first time, it might look difficult, but once you get to do it, it's very easy, very simple, and a very good starter. Now I'm going to chop everything. I'm going to blend it with this Chana Dal and I'll show you how it's done. Now I've chopped everything. That's the full onion. I have some garlic cloves. The green chilies are here and the coriander as well. Now I'm going to show you how it's mixed. I'm going to put the garlic cloves into this. And then I'm going to add in some fennel seeds. So the garlic and the fennel seeds goes in here. I'm just going to Now I have chopped all the ingredients. First I'm going to add the garlic and the fennel seeds into this, and followed by the onions. I'm just going to add all the onions because it's 3 cups. Full onion will be perfect. And I'm going to add the green chilies next. You can mix everything together. And the coriander leaves. Now I have some curry leaves here, which is only optional, just for a bit of flavor. We love it, so I'm just going to have some curry leaves as well. Now I've added all the ingredients together. I'm going to give it a good mix now. Now it's all well mixed and ready to be fried. It's exactly the same recipe for the chickpeas as well, which you can use instead of the Chana Dal. Now it's ready to be fried. So I have a pan here, deep pan. I'm just going to turn on the stove. And I'm going to use sunflower oil. You can use either sunflower oil or vegetable oil. And I'm going to pour enough to deep fry the vada. The oil is really hot now. I'm just going to take a small portion Just going to just flatten it just about that size. Whatever size you want, the smaller the better. It's more crunchy when you make it really small. So I'm just going to shape it in a circle, and I'm just going to put it inside. For about 2 to 3 minutes until it's cooked. It will turn golden brown on both sides. I'm just turning it on the other side to make sure it's cooked evenly, and when it turns golden brown we can take it out. It's well cooked on both sides. As you can see, it turned golden brown on both sides. I'm just making sure on the other side is golden brown as well, and I'm going to take it out. Now I'm going to reduce the flame when I'm taking it out, so I don't want them to get burnt. So that's the vada ready. Now the vada is ready to be tasted. I'm just going to take one and taste it. Just going to break it. It's nice and crispy outside, kind of doughy inside, but it's well cooked. Just going to taste it now. So crunchy or hard, well cooked. The flavor of the onions, coriander, the fennel seeds, so good. This is a very good alternative for nuggets, for chicken nuggets especially. It's full of protein, full of flavors, and so delicious. If you have any questions in making this, please post your comment below, and if you like our channel, please subscribe to My Family Taxi for more exciting episodes. Bye!